name is Ildi Konyari, and this is the MagFit stand for the Apple iPad Pro 11, and they also have it for 13-inch iPads. It is foldable in many different ways and directions, and rotatable to upright, vertical, or to horizontal mode, and in 360 degrees. It is magnetic. The magnet is strong to hold it. You feel a click type of sound when the iPad is clearly attached to the stand. The camera in the back of the iPad should not be covered by the stand, otherwise the magnet cannot hold it and falls down. The AC connection of the stand is via USB-C port, and the charger also has a standard USB-A port. It is provided by MagFit and it is in the box. Once the stand is connected to the AC, you can connect the stand's power supply to the iPad via a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is provided by MagFit. It is also in the box. And you can see the iPad starts charging. The great thing of this MagFit stand is the 3.5mm audio jack. Otherwise, you could only use the Apple Bluetooth audio devices. In this case, you can use a simple 3.5mm jack for audio. The MagFit stand equipped with many ports. You can check out in details here or at the end of this video. You can also connect memory cards such as microSD or transflash cards, and connect your iPad to a laptop via USB ports, or to a monitor or TV via HDMI port. It has many different ports to attach devices. Again, it is foldable and rotatable in many different ways and directions, and can be made flat. It becomes very slim. The manual accompanies it in the box, how to connect it to different devices, thus use your iPad with other device via the stand. And this is the information available on Amazon. I know it is a bit pricey. I also was thinking about it, but at the end I feel it was well worth it. And I like it very much. It is why I wanted to make this video. It is a great advancement to the already great iPad Pro 11. I hope you find this information useful, and thank you for your interest. Have a good day. Bye now.